Domingo with you today, and today we are playing TallyUP. Now, this is a game site where you can earn money by playing mini games. Yes, I know it's another one of these. Sorry, let me just get that. That is probably my agent. There we go. There we go. So, my agent really doesn't need to call me at this time, so I'm just going to put him on Do Not Disturb because, hey, that's the thing. Anyways, so you can earn coins for playing games. And one of the fun ways to do it is by playing these mini games here. So we're going to show you the screens first. So what you see on the top left is my name, avatar, level, and also the current number of tokens I have. I currently have 238 tokens with a monetary value of $2.38. And minimum cash out requirements for this is $10. So if you click on the little wallet up here, it will show you your token wallet. And each token is worth a cent. So if you have 238 tokens, that's 238 cents, which in turn equals to $2.38. So if you have 1,000 tokens, that's 1,000 cents, so that's $10. So if you go to cash out here, it gives you the PayPal option to cash out, and it's locked at $10. And I'm $7.62 away, so I have to earn 762 more cents in order to get the cash out. So it's pretty easy, and it is pretty fun. So we're going to show you a game quickly. So as you progress in this game, you can bet up to higher amounts so that you can win higher amounts. And they also have what's called surges. So it shows here the top players who have won good amounts of money. You can earn up to $61, $33, $20, $10, $6, $5. The highest amount that I've seen people win in this guy win is $117.76. And then there's money won here, and then it shows how much money average people have won on a day-to-day basis. And then it shows here top donors. You can actually donate your money to like causes like the Ukraine and any other thing that you want to donate to. So you can donate the money as well. So without further ado, you can earn tokens by logging into the arcade when you go every day. So we've completed a few goals, so we're going to claim these tokens. And as you can see, my token amount has increased to $2.68, so I have $2.68. And the more you log in, the more tokens you earn, so you better get playing. So we have here the tower, where it shows here what you can bet, and also your matchups. So the matchup royale is one of the biggest ones remaining here. And you have to enter it at certain dates, and the top prizes are $400, $350. Then there's weekly events for $25, and you can earn more. And so you can earn a lot of tokens in play. And then you can challenge people for tokens, and then there's my move. So I'm going to challenge this person and take my turn. This is a game called Magnet Madness. So basically, we see the opponent's choice here. So the objective of the game is to get a higher charge and to earn more tokens as you go. So the objective here, as you see, the tokens are on the plate, and so we got to select the magnet charge. So my highest magnet charge I'm going to select is 7. So then the opponent will lock in his or her choice as well, and it's going to show who will win. So there, I got the tokens, so therefore I win the game. And I won 4 tokens, and I increase my level. So then I go back to matchups, and then I can go and challenge other people as well. So you can challenge other people of different ranks, but they play to your level. So basically, if you're level 4, you play a level 4 character unless you see a higher level person here, and then you can challenge them. And then you can also get invites as well. So you can click on my invite link in the description below. So you can also send your invite link as well so that people can check you out. And then you can get up to tokens values worth of $20. So if you click on this link in the description below, then you will be able to sign up for the site, and you can also download the app. It's available for Google Play Store. It may not be available for iOS, but it's best to check when you click on the link. So if you're an iPhone user, check the link when you click on it if it takes you to a direct link app, but if it does not, then unfortunately it's only for Google Play users. And you also earn what's called Mega Spins. So when you earn a Mega Spin, it gives you a chance up to 50 cents or $20. And then you can redeem them by inviting friends. So that way you can do it, or you can also earn it in the arcade. So we're just going to go back here, and then we're just going to look at that. So that is just the gist of it. It is really easy to earn money in this game, and you can unlock up to 6 games in this mode. So I've only unlocked 2 of the games right now, but the other games I will update you on in the next video. So everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this, like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content and ways to make money. And also don't forget to click on the invite link in the description below. Have a great day. We'll see you next time for another video. Bye-bye.